will be becoming Aditi for the last time. Oh my god, this is emotional. Very strange feeling. I was standing in the balcony and it felt, oh god, it's been a year. And oh, it's hitting me like anything. एक साल आप एक जगह पे रहो, you tend to get attached. However the journey be, you tend to get attached. You know, I'm at a point where I really want to express this to people around me that, you know, I am going to miss them. Then I don't know what is, maybe I would. I just reached here and the whole thing is, I'm grateful for this journey. I felt like, yeah, I've grown a lot. I faced something very new in life and I've grown a lot. And I have to part ways with this room. I hope I might upload this vlog. This would be my 561th number of vlog which I'm making. One more thing, my family is coming to the set today, and 25th May was my first day last year and 25th May is my last day this year. And I'm happy, I'm grateful, and I look forward to a beautiful journey ahead where I can just enjoy. Now I want a journey to just enjoy, and lessons are baki pata nahi, whatever God holds, whatever my Adi Yogi holds. No, you have to share one of the most funniest moment of this set.
Funniest moment?
Yeah.
So
Funniest.
नहीं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
नहीं, सबको एक एक बताना है. बताओ.
यार मेरे साथ funniest तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Weirdest टाइप कुछ हुआ होगा.
बता दो.
तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज ही weirdest कुछ होने वाला है. Funniest.
बोलो ना.
यार मैं जस्ट फर्स्ट डे मेरा बहुत weird था. तो क्योंकि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था कितनी लंबी लंबी लाइंस होती हैं. और फर्स्ट डे मुझे लंबी लंबी लाइन दी और मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं. मतलब सेट पे आया और सीधा ऑन सेट ले गए. एक बार पढ़ा और वहाँ पहुँचा और ब्लैकआउट. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे परफॉर्म करूँगा.
और हम पूरा खानदान आपके सामने खड़े थे.
पूरा खानदान मेरे सामने था, तो वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा weirdest था. फर्स्ट
I remember your funniest moment.
Tell me.
When we were shooting outdoor in that car, you were meant to wear sweater. It was 12 p.m. The sun was on top and the AC was not working. हम सब half sleeves में, you were wearing sweater. I think that was the funniest moment.
But
like, I laughed a lot.
That was the funniest for you, not for me.
Yeah. Yours. आपके पास मैं change करके आती हूँ. Okay, so I'm ready as Aditi for the last time. I'll show you my outfit. I love this outfit. I love this saree. Yeah, it's good saree and I like it. And there's a beautiful song playing behind my back. I don't know if the audio is recording. And I'm thinking to make this day a little special. I will ask everybody their funniest moment on set because इस set पे बहुत हंसी मजाक हुआ है. And I could ask them one thing they like about me or one thing they dislike about me, or let's see. It'll be a random questionnaire. Also, अभी मैं आज बहुत ही non-Aditi ready हुई हूँ. Like I have a different eyeshadow, my lip shade is different, but I said it's the last day, so let's do something crazy. I'll be asking this question to almost everybody. What a view, by God! What was the funniest moment of this set for you? With us, not with the previous cast.
The moment everyone starts laughing, that's the most crazy.
And what is it that about me that makes you like ab ye phategi? I saw the Juhi Chawla reel.
This is what it was.
As I told you that I've been asking this question to everybody. The question for you is also the same. Which moment would you describe as the funniest moment and what happened exactly?
Yeah, the problem is that there have been a lot of funny moments. I mean, we've just been laughing. But if you were to ask me what the funny moment was, I wouldn't have the answer because you are the one who will have the answer. Because you are the one who laughs.
And you are with me. Hello, you're the partner in crime.
Yeah, so you're the one who just starts laughing, and then
That's
I
a
kind
lie.
And then I didn't want you to be left alone.
Oh
I didn't
my.
want people to accuse you.
Chalo, let
So I
me
said,
remind
let me
you
join the
of
party.
the funniest moment with you. Actually, there are so many, but I would give the Bipasha Basu. Just give a hint of it. What actually had happened?
Oh, it's nothing. There was a character. I was giving reference to some character who was Bipasha something. Bipasha Baudi, I don't know,
I don't know,
Bipasha
something.
something.
Yeah.
And in the dialogue,
See,
I was talking to you, and I just meant
completely serious.
Bipasha.
you were.
Yeah. तुम्हें याद नहीं है कि जन्मदिन उनके जन्मदिन के टाइम किनके जन्मदिन के टाइम बिपाशा बासु and then I couldn't stop laughing for I think 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Good. Good. Thank you.
Good memory.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. The most energetic ladies of our set. One, the mother-in-law. One, the mother.
Yay! Mothers are ruling.
Mothers are actually ruling. She is known to be the Annapurna, and she's the one who started spoiling me. And she never knows how to put her blusher on point.
No.
She would always upload a video saying, what the fuck did I do? Okay, so I've been asking this question to everybody.
Yeah.
You guys can kiss as well, that's fine.
When are we showing each other the lipstick? Too subtle.
So I've been asking this question to everybody.
Oh, sorry, I'll put the red if you kiss me on my lips. Then the red will come to me. Okay.
मेरे channel की TRP बढ़ेगी. What is the, like, I know there have been a lot of moments where we have laughed like crazy, but which one would you choose to be that particular one where you lost your breath?
I lost my breath every day laughing.
But still, like one.
Can't be because every day I've laughed more than I laughed the previous day or the previous hour. Or the, yeah.
So you can't choose any one memory.
100%, 1000% no. I think this set is giving me so much happiness that I've literally laughed through this 1 year.
But share at least one, na? Like one random incident.
Can't. I really can't. Like I said, that if you laugh every day, how do you remember? You know, you remember things जो once in a while होता है कि अरे वो दिन मुझे कभी नहीं भूलेगा. जो तुम्हारे रोज का जैसे मैं ब्रश कर रही हूँ, मैं रोज ब्रश कर रही हूँ, वैसे ही पागलों की तरह हंस रही हूँ, तो कैसे याद रखूंगी?
Okay, yours.
Okay, the one where we were shooting for that Tui Tui song.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
the हल्दी वाला sequence.
Yes.
Tui Tui song.
Oh yes.
When Janak was dancing.
Yeah.
we were going crazy because that's,
I do have a clip of that.
Yeah, so that shooting, I'm talking about shooting, not about personal. Personal, so I can't remember. Like my answer will be like hers. See, I told you. My non-shooting will be her answer, but she said that you can't pick one. But my shooting will be that because I genuinely remember all the girls going crazy laughing because of that song.
And anything else you want to add to say bye-bye?
Show has given me a lot. I've received so much love in its purest form on the show. So
Oh. You want to show the love?
I got her.
Aww.
I got her. It was a nose kiss. Yeah.
I've been asking this to everybody. I'll ask you guys. One moment that you can't forget, like itna funny or anything that you can't forget.
मेरे पास तो बहुत ऐसे मोमेंट्स हैं.
हमारे सीजन के, पिछले सीजन की बात मत करना.
ओके, खैर ये सीजन में तुम्हारा बहुत कम आई, बट फनी.
Anything that you want to show.
नहीं मुझे फनी तो नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग की फैमिली बॉन्डिंग अच्छी थी, मुझे वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, मज़ा आया मुझे.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Anju Rani. For you, my moment would be when you cried after my performance. मेरी परफॉर्मेंस के बाद कोई तो था, आप रोए थे.
ओके.
मेरे लिए वो मोमेंट है अब.
वो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था तुम्हारा. मैं तो वैसे भी अच्छा एक्टिंग करती हूँ, वो कोई बात नहीं, बट यस.
That is the memory I am taking with you. Hello.
Hi.
What's up? What is your funny memory or anything that you wanna say?
ऐसा कोई एक मोमेंट नहीं है जिसमें मैं शेयर कर सकूं, लेकिन हाँ हमारे जब सीन होते थे तो हम लोग काफ़ी हंसते रहते थे छोटी छोटी बात पे. उसके लिए ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक एक ही चीज़ नहीं है, हम लोग साल भर हंसते ही रहे.
उसके लिए कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी नहीं था. It's just Payal and me are standing and we should not have an eye contact.
और हम लोग ने बहुत
फनी मोमेंट की जरूरत.
हाँ नहीं है, हम लोग ने इतनी सीरियस सीन में भी उसको
And such a laugh.
उसका एहसास बाद में होता है. देखा वहाँ पे जो तुम्हें कुछ बोल रहे हैं, पुतुल चल के गई और जो तुम्हें को हर दिन पुतुल पता है मुझसे क्या पूछती थी, अभी आगे आ गई ना माँ. हाँ कर लो ले लो. एक्शन.
मिष्टी बोलती है मुझे तो अभी तक यकीन नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छे से मैम अरे नर्वस मिनिस्टर बन गई बिटिया, आपने पूरी जर्नी देखी है, सबसे ज्यादा आपका इमोशंस होने चाहिए। एक्शन, जनक आई तालियां। अंजना जी लोग झलक को देखते रहो।
Once the camera crosses and comes here, na,
Last shot of the night.
good job. All the best, everyone. हाँ भाई
And that was all, guys. That was my journey as Aditi, and I'm so grateful for the whole year. I have immense respect for everybody and a lot of gratitude that this happened. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जो आपको बाद में समझ आती है, and I hope आपको ये सारी vlogging journey अच्छी लगी हो. For you guys, from the bottom of my heart, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. आपने अदिति को इतना प्यार दिया है, इतना प्यार दिया. आई स्वेयर मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी कि पता है बिकॉज ऑफ अदिति को जिस तरीके से शी वॉज प्लेइंग इट बिट ग्रे शेड एंड एवरीथिंग, तो मुझे था कि आई डोंट नो if audience would connect to it or not, but you guys connected, you guys had sympathy for her, you guys had love for her, and you guys had given me a lot of love for Aditi, and this is your Aditi signing off from Jhanak. Thank you so much. Bye bye.